If you're interested in mechanics right now, I will guarantee you that in another 40 years down the road, you're still going to be interested. You don't outgrow it.
Welcome back to Roadtrip Nation's channel. I'm Jenny, and today we're talking about an awesome career path for people who love cars. We're gonna explore some different jobs in the auto technician industry and talk through helpful info like what kind of salary you can expect, what kinds of educational paths you can take, and how you can get started in the field. This is the beginning of a series that'll be exploring all kinds of different industries connected to your interests. So make sure to like and subscribe if you wanna see more videos like this one. Let's get into it. If you're into cars and love working with your hands, a job as an auto technician might be perfect for you. Auto technicians are skilled workers that diagnose and repair vehicles. You probably more commonly refer to auto technicians as mechanics, but other common job titles include service technicians, drivability technicians, or master mechanics. Technicians can specialize in either auto or diesel engines, or choose to service more specific vehicles like buses, trucks, or RVs. Here's a quick look at the variety of jobs in this field.
This industry breaks up in two ways. One is just a repair and maintenance. The other one is custom work. So you have to first decide what you want to get into. And if you have any artistic ideas yourself, or if you like that creativity, get into the custom world.
As technicians, we love a challenge. It is satisfying being able to fix something that most people don't know how to fix.
We're open 24 hours here at this shop. You get a form, which is a preventative maintenance form, and it's got everything you need to check on that truck from top to bottom, in and out, engine, your electrical, your cranking and charging, your air brake system, or your hydraulic system if it has that.
We work on everything here, 96 and newer, Fords to Porsche, everything in between, and no 2 days are the same.
Let's talk about salary. For auto technicians, the average salary is $42,090 a year. Of course, that number goes up as you get experience and find your specialty. For example, if you love a certain brand of car, you can get a master mechanic certification for that brand. Like Keola Santiago, an Audi Master Guild technician.
At my first dealer, I started out as an expert technician. Today, I'm a Master Guild technician. It is the highest level for a technician. One of my dreams is to one day be a technical manager or a shop foreman. A person like this oversees the technical aspect of repairs, oversees the technicians.
Projected job growth over the next 10 years is on pace with the national average.
The world would stop without mechanics and people that have technical skills and learn how to work on things. If we don't have anybody to work on machinery and equipment and motors and racing and all this stuff, there's a lot of stuff that would change and shut down.
There's also one extra bright spot for growth in the industry: RV technicians. People have been buying so many RVs lately that RV technicians will be in higher than average demand over the next 10 years. I think we might have started that trend. So how do you get started as an auto tech? If you want to become a technician, it is possible to get started right out of high school. But most technicians recommend you get your Automotive Service Excellence certification or a similar post-grad certification before you start working. Two common places to get these certifications are the NASCAR Technical Institute, or NTI, and the Universal Technical Institute, aka UTI.
Take UTI seriously. You have the tools there, and the fact that you can walk out there and get a good job, and whether it's at NTI and you're going into NASCAR, you want to go into exotics, or you want to go into diesel, all of that stuff is right there. It's a matter of you just completing your studies. That's going to be a great future for you as you go forward and take advantage of it.
Beyond what you learn in school, you'll also want to keep up with new car trends and technology. New innovations are being made every day, especially in the world of electric and autonomous vehicles.
And today's cars, you guys know, have more control modules than the first space shuttle.
If cars are your passion, just stay with it. Read everything you can. I think I subscribe to every car magazine in the world. You just have to have that constant quest for knowledge. I would say use social media to your advantage to put yourselves out there and let everybody know you exist, where you are. It's a really amazing form of advertising for what you do.
Once you have a foundation as an auto technician, you can go down some really cool paths, like Walt Logan, who gets to work on the excavators and bulldozers at Dig This in Las Vegas.
So you can learn the theory of mechanics. you can do anything. Whether you're working on diesel engines and heavy equipment, whether you're working on high performance cars, or whether you're working on your own car, what you want to do is pursue and learn everything you can about it, because one day you're going to need it. I've been here about 5 years, and I've never done anything in my life that is as much fun as this is.
Or you can even own your own auto repair shop someday, like Bogey Latner, who is my favorite.
I love everything about this industry. I think there's so many unique challenges, there's so many opportunities, there's so many different ways that you can be involved in it. And the people in it are fantastic. I've met so many absolutely amazing people in this industry, especially as a shop owner now and getting to travel around and meet other shop owners around the country. And I do some coaching and classes, instruction, whatnot for other shop owners, and I just love it. I love the energy, I love how much care and compassion and the things that individual shop owners are doing for their communities. Dealing with the customers, you get to know people personally, and it's that human element. Like, we're not just fixing cars, we're helping people.
Overall, becoming an auto technician is a great option for anyone who likes building things or working with their hands. It's got tons of stability and room for growth. But for people who love cars, this is so much more than a stable option. It's a path that can help you live out your interests and do what you truly love.
I think the innovation that's taking place both on the truck and auto side, we're looking at autonomous vehicles. Those are types of things that really turn me on, and we'll have the opportunity to help the environment, which is very important to me.
I fell in love with the automotive industry and proving to the rest of the world that the automotive field is a legitimate field with a lot of opportunity and worthy of respect.
So it was a hobby that got out of control, and it was just kind of a means of continuing to be able to feed my need for speed.
If you love cars, hopefully one of these stories got you thinking of all the possibilities for your future. And if you're not into cars, I'm kind of surprised you made it this far, but tell us your interest in the comments below. We'll be exploring all kinds of industries and career paths in future videos, and we can definitely find one that sounds interesting to you.